in the Job Commander admin module. I'm in an Open Jobs Components screen. As you can see, there are 4 materials lines. Once this job is saved, the materials will display in the Purchasing module ready for ordering. We now go to the Purchasing module. Click the Jobs button to view materials to be ordered. In this window, the columns are sortable by clicking on the column heading. For example, in this case, we want to only view job 86. So I enter the job number for the order into the job number field and press enter or click search. To select an item, you're able to click the little box on the left hand side or do a right hand mouse click and select all. Now click the Create Order button. We are now in the ordering screen, which consists of 3 tabs. The Details page is where we select a supplier for the order. If you know the supplier number, you can enter it. Or search by clicking the binoculars. I'll click the button and enter part of the supplier's name. All Steel Supplies. Select it from the resulting list, and the order is now ready to print. Click the Print button. This is the end of this video.